Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing another chit chat get ready with me mental health Monday, I guess. I don't know if this is going to be posted on Monday, so maybe I shouldn't say Monday. But yeah, if you guys want to get ready with me, keep watching. Okay, so I'm going in with my ColourPop. This is it Come Fly With Me collection? Like the butterfly kind of collection. But this is what it looks like. And I did swap out a couple shades, so this isn't completely true to the colors in that palette, but for the most part, this is pretty correct. Now I'm like sweating. I was freezing in here, guys, like literally half an hour ago. Then I started putting on sweats, and then I was starting to get really tired because whenever I'm too hot, I just get that microwave feeling, and then I get really lazy and I don't want to do anything. And I really didn't want to put on the sweats, but I was like, I'm too cold. I just can't do it. Now I'm like, ugh, get this off me. So how have you guys been? I feel like the freaking world is like blowing up. It's just like one thing after the next. I saw a meme the other day that was like, I wouldn't be surprised if dinosaurs came back to life. And honestly, I feel like that's where we're at. Ugh, tonight we're going out to dinner for the first time in like, has it been 2 months now? Or has it been 2.5? No, I don't even know. I'm losing track of time, guys. I can't even really remember the feeling of just being out to eat. Does anyone else have that feeling? Like, I guess some places aren't as crazy as it is here. I know here the restaurants aren't open. It's just for takeout. Like, you can't dine in anywhere. And most stores aren't open. So it's only like grocery stores and like Home Depot. That's it. But I have seen in other places, it's just like nothing's even going on with the pandemic. But anyway, we're going out to eat for the first time. So around here, it's just, it's outdoor seating. So any restaurants that have outdoor seating, they're allowed to be open, I guess, but it's just the outside. I just said outside like 100 times. I'm so excited to get out. Like, going out to eat is one of my all-time favorite things. I feel like I just romanticize the whole experience in my head. Like, makes you feel like you're doing something, you're getting out of the house, and I love eating. But we're really excited about that. I know that you still need to wear your face mask. I think they said walking to the table, and then you can take it off when you're at the table, obviously, because you would need to eat. And then if you need to get up and go to the bathroom or anything like that, you need to put the face mask back on to go back into the building. So that part's gonna feel a little weird. Or maybe it won't, because around here you have to wear face masks. So anywhere you go, you need to wear it anyway. So kind of used to it at this point, although it is very annoying when you're wearing a full face of makeup because then you don't want to mess up your nose contour, you know? My priorities. But it has also been really nice for when you don't want to wear any makeup and then you just put that mask on. It's like you don't even have to get ready at all. But I do wonder when everything's gonna go back to normal, like completely. I think they were saying something about like it might be gone for the summer for the most part because of the heat, and then it'll stir back up in the winter, I guess, with like the dry air. But it does feel like things are starting to kind of go back to normal. Like I said, like restaurants are starting to open back up again, even if it's just outside for right now. It just feels good to start being normal again. Everything just was so dark and gloomy for the longest time. But I just touched up my nails today, and that also just helps me feel just way more put together. I know, like, I haven't gone without these nails, but once I like refresh them and finally get some nail polish back on, and I don't know, it just makes you feel like powerful. I don't know what it is. It's like, I guess it's kind of a sense of control. But yeah, this is them. So like I said, I just did them today, so they're a little messy around like the cuticle, but once you wash your hands a couple times, that comes right out. I just feel like I've really mastered being able to do them at home. I don't know if have I talked to you guys about it before? But these are the nails that I use. I get this kit right on Amazon. It's super cheap. I think this is like $8. I just recently got a second pack, which isn't necessary. I'm just scared that once I run out of this pack that they'll discontinue it for some reason. I don't know why I'm scared of that. But this kit right here has lasted me like a year. And I feel like I haven't even made a dent in it. This could last me probably another year. But I just really like it because there are so many different sizes for the nails. And I always find that when you get fake nails from like a CVS, like anything like that, like they're just so big. I don't know what it is. They're made for like giants. And I just don't have the patience to sit there and file them down to match my actual nail. So it's nice having the option of a bunch of different sizing. Also, real quick guys, with my eyes, I've been doing a trick where I almost do my I smoke out the outer corner of my eye, but I do it on a slant. I feel like it just gives you that bedroom eyes, just like really effortlessly though. But back to the nails real quick. If you guys want a tutorial on that, let me know, because I would love to film a video on it. I just don't know if anyone actually cares or not. Or maybe there's like too many videos out there that are similar. But I feel like I have a good system, and everything that I use is really cheap, but it looks like it's salon quality. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. I've been getting so excited lately that my YouTube is finally starting to pick up. I don't want to say take off because it's not like blowing up or anything, but the Anastasia Norvina cake liners video, I think that's up to like 30,000 views right now. And that is crazy for my channel. I mean, it's so exciting. But I feel like I was at like 100 views on like every single video for such a long time that I was really getting discouraged. And I've heard that from so many YouTubers that you just need to keep going. And if you guys are new to YouTube, or you're starting a channel or anything like that, or even if you've been doing this for years, just keep going. Because it is extremely discouraging when you put so much work into something and you're only seeing like a small amount of views. It just seems like nobody cares. But it is true that the more videos that you have, the more likely you are to be found. And also it just really ranks up watch time. If you guys don't know why that's relevant, watch time actually helps a lot with how you get paid and things like that, and how YouTube ranks you. So it's important to have a lot of videos under your belt. But it also really helps to stick to a schedule, because consistency is really key on YouTube. But I've been taking YouTube really seriously for, I would say, the past like 2 months. I've really been putting my all in, and I've been seeing such amazing results. It just feels so good. It feels like what you're doing is actually worth it. And not that it wasn't before. Like, I love making videos and I love talking to you guys, but it can get you really down when you just feel like nobody cares or nobody's seeing your videos. A good tip if you guys are starting YouTube, or if you have it and you're not really seeing any like growth right now, definitely get TubeBuddy. It's TubeBuddy, but it's one word. TubeBuddy really helps you with different tags, and it helps you with your description. There are a ton of tools on there, and you can also see your analytics like in super detail, and also you can compare it with other people's, and you can see where like other people's analytics and other people's tags for their videos. It's really interesting. I'm trying to remember how much I paid for it. I think it was a one-time price, or I might be getting charged monthly, but I don't think that it's monthly. I think that it's like $60 a year or something. I don't know. I might be totally off. But either way, it's really worth it if this is something that you want to take seriously and you're really trying to make a career out of this. Definitely get TubeBuddy. I'm going to do my eyeliner real quick, guys, off camera, because you know I can never do that. It takes me forever. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. All right, guys. Now for lashes. I am going to be using the Amoris. Why did I even just read this? This is my Amoris WSP lashes. If you guys know, you know. These are my favorites. First, I'm going to put on some mascara. So this one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lush Brag. I've really been liking this mascara. It does get a little clumpy the longer that it sits in there. Yeah, it's like super clumpy right now. But if you just clean it up, it's good to go. Trying to remember what we were talking about. Oh, we were talking about YouTube. Yeah, Instagram has been so depressing for me recently because they change the algorithm so often, and now I just think that they're just decreasing everyone's reach for some reason. I don't know why. And not that likes mean everything, but it's kind of embarrassing to have a certain following size and to get like a small amount of likes compared to your following size. I just feel like people like think you're fake, you know? I feel like it's the majority who are affected by it, but there are some like random accounts that I see that are like freaking thriving right now, and it just makes me feel like I'm doing something wrong. But I do notice that the people who have the highest amount of engagement are the ones who are just super interactive with stories and going live, and that's been such a struggle for me from the beginning. It's just, I feel like people who are crazy with like stories, they have more time to do that. Maybe I'm totally judging by saying that. I'm consistent on YouTube, I'm consistent on TikTok, and I'm consistent on Instagram. I'm posting every single day. So I'm doing looks every single day. It's like, it's hard to, I don't know, it's just hard to keep up with stories and make it almost like a vlog and let you know what's going on with my life, like throughout the day, which is what stories is kind of like. It's kind of like a vlog style. I don't know. I guess maybe I just need to get better about it and then it would become easier. But I'm also just not the type of person to talk about everything that's going on in my life. I don't think that I would consider myself to be like a private person. I think I just don't think that anybody gives a shit what goes on in my life, I guess is what it comes down to. But then, like, I'll watch, like, the most mundane vlogs or, like, anyone's stories if they're just, like, cooking something or if they're just talking about their opinion on something. I'm really interested. So I don't know why I'm so hard on myself. And I feel like I go through different phases where I'll be really consistent for, like, 3 days and then I'll fall off the wagon. And then I feel weird coming back. It's so hard for me to get back into the routine. And I also feel like I almost have to, like, explain myself. I don't know. But then it's like, no, you don't. I don't know why I feel that way. I was talking for so long that my lash glue dried. But anyway, my point with what I was talking about for Instagram is I'm glad that things are starting to go a lot better on YouTube. That way, there's just something to look forward to. I know I've told you guys this like 100,000 times, but it really helps to be on multiple platforms. That way, there's just always something good that's going to be going on at least one of them. So you really need to spread yourself out. And YouTube is by far the hardest platform to get recognized on and to get views on. So that's why I'm so excited about it. I took a little break from these lashes and putting them back on. I just always wind up coming back to these. They're just amazing. I mean, look at them right now. I feel like these could look so natural, but you know I'm about to put a ton of mascara on these. And that's the thing, you can make them really dramatic if you want them to be. They're just such good wispies and they're so cheap. I've also been smoking out the outer corner of my eye a little bit with some darker eyeshadow. I feel like it just completes the look. For lips, I'm going in with my trusty Nonstop Nude. This is the Ultimate Lip Intense Auto Stay Liner. Or is it Stay Auto Liner? This is the best lip liner, guys, and it lasts forever. I just find that it looks more natural when I just do the tops here and just the sides very lightly. I'm just coloring over my little wine stains. And then I'm gonna top it off using just a tint, and this is in Always Right. This is by ColourPop. I love the smell of this one. It's like, do you guys remember that lip gloss? Was it Tutti Frutti by Smuckers? Or Smackers? Was it Smackers? Yeah, Lip Smackers. For blush, I'm going in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks, and this is in Totally Chill. This is the top. I've been doing my blush up a little bit higher, and I find that it makes me look more youthful. Before, I was just doing it like here, but this way, it just, like, you can see the difference. This side, I didn't even put any blush on, and this one I did. It just also makes your makeup look way more put together. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. And also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And yeah, if you guys have any other video ideas, let me know in the comments down below. I've been thinking of doing a Shein try-on haul. Let me know what you guys think about that. I've been seeing so many ads pop up for their swimsuits, so I don't know, they look really cute, but I've also heard a lot of bad things too, but maybe that'll make it a fun video. I don't know. We'll debunk some theories. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.